Welcome to the Middleware Tech YouTube channel. In this series, you'll learn about Java Flavour. All code examples used in the videos will be available on GitHub. Let's get started.
Okay. Now, I'm going with some notepad now initially. I'll come with the slides, lots of things. Let me move with some steps, then I'll go. What does it mean by Java Flavour? Java Flavour means how Java is available to us. Today I'm going to use Java, but at the end of the day, how it will be available to us. I'll talk about from different dimension. First, Java Flavour concept from Sun Microsystem. When Java came from Sun Microsystem, then how Java is available to us. According to that, according to Sun Microsystem released Java, Java is available to us in three J2AC, J2E, and J2ME. In three flavor, it is available to us. Means today, if I'm learning Java, then I have to use Java in these three, you can say, edition. So J2AC, Java to standard edition. So this J2AC is nothing but the core Java, we can say. We will use the term core Java. Core Java in the sense, the JDK that you're talking about, different JDK versions here. These are the JDK versions that you're talking about. This is said to be as a core Java. Okay, so this J2AC Java to standard edition is representing to the core Java. So if I'm going to write some program using basic Java syntax, using core Java, then I'll go for J2AC, generally used for networking. Lots of project core Java project we can create. And J2AC, J2E is used for web applications. It is used for web applications. Web application. Web application means if I want to create a web application using Java, then I have to use this J2E, Java to Enterprise Edition. Any web application, you can take any healthcare, banking, shopping, any web application. If I'm going to create using Java, then this web application part we defined as J2E, Java to Enterprise Edition. And then they've created another one module called J2ME, Java to Mobile Edition. Now this J2ME is for mobile application. They came with for mobile application Java for mobile application came with this J2ME. But out of these three, so if I'm today I'm going to learn Java, I'm doing the Java first time. If I'm doing Java first time today, if I'm going to learn Java, that means first I have to do this core Java part. When I'm familiar with this core Java very well, I'll move with advanced Java as well as for mobile application J2ME. Let me tell you, this module J2ME is not used too much today. Today's environment, lots of mobile technologies came. So it is not used too much today. This too is used a lot. Lots of mobile, Android is there, ADF faces is there, okay, rich faces is there, JSF is there. So lots of mobile, we have HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap to create a very good user interface. So for mobile, lots of component came today. So this JTM is not used too much today's scenarios, but this core Java and J2E we have to know. Now another point. See now let me show you on some slide. You will get some more idea from here. why Java is dominating today. Today, if I'm going to work on any module, I should know basic Java. Today, if I'm going to work on any modules, I should know basic Java. This is the scenario how it is. Why? Because desktop that you are interacting, desktop related programming, you'll find that 1.1 billion desktop run Java. 930 billion JRE downloads a year. That is a very old history they've given, right? 9.5 million JDK downloads a year. This is an old history, but what I want to say is that the mobile phone that I'm going to use today, you'll find Java there. Java TV and Java card is used for electronic devices. Now these things, I'm coming to OOPS concept, lots of things is there. So today, environment, huge amount of devices that is used worldwide. Those devices using Java. Not only that, today if I'm going to work on any component, go to the integration layer. If I'm going to work on any component module like ways we want to work, or we want to work on some mules of some integration layer technologies, you have to know Java. You want to work on ERP? Let's assume you are going to work on Oracle apps ERP. Oracle app self-service pages based on some Java-based framework. You want to work on a Spring framework? You have to know Java. If you want to work on microservices, Java knowledge is required. So where you want to move, Java knowledge is required. It will help a lot. Basic Java knowledge is required to work on any product. It is something like that. So today, if I'm going to work on any particular project, should have some basic Java knowledge, because the product that I'm going to use, most of the scenario they're using some Java-based product. Okay. Now from Sun Microsystem, they came with this flavor. In this 3 flavor Java is available: J2SE,